We've developed the LIGRE Eco Mode to save energy. If LIGRE Eco Mode is activated, the temperature of the brew group and the boiler is automatically lowered after a certain period of inactivity that you can set. You can choose to have the temperature automatically lowered after 2 to 30 minutes of inactivity. The default setting is 15 minutes. But you also have the option to disable LIGRE Eco Mode, which means the temperature will always be maintained. Alternatively, you can activate the Eco Mode. In our case, after 15 minutes of inactivity, the temperature will lower to save energy. I haven't used the LIGRE youn for a while now, hence the machine is currently in Eco Mode. To wake it up, I can either tap the touchscreen or use one of the butterfly buttons. In my case, I press a butterfly button. And within 1 minute, the machine will be fully operational again.